How's she going, eh? So today we're turning the old, filled up, never taken care of, not too great shed into my YouTube making studio. Alright, so here's the shed. If you go in, there is a bunch of wood, tons of vases, and we have this giant fridge. And this fridge is where she puts her flowers. So I want to turn this area into something that she can use for her flowers and I can use for my YouTube videos. Alright, here we are after about 4 hours. I got a lot of the boards removed. So it's day 2. I got a few goals for today. Finish this one bench along this wall and get some of these damn lights working because it's so dark in here. So here we are, day 3. To give you guys an idea, there's crap all over the back of the shed. I gotta screw in these pillars right here and that one. This fridge is gonna go down in the back in the center, and this is gonna be like a wraparound all the way around to over here, which is where my wonderful wife's flower stuff is gonna be. The right side is basically what I'm gonna be working on next. I may build another workbench all the way along over here. It'll just be better if I do that. So this right here, I'm just getting ready to put this on. This is not a woodworking channel, so please don't mistake it for being one. Especially when I was younger, I would always make stuff flimsy, just due to my lack of skill, I guess. Thought you could just screw stuff together all willy-nilly. So I'm gonna try and use Bondo to just clean up these cracks if it's possible. The wife's shelves are gonna go right here. Alright, so we got a couple 2x4s. I need to figure out how to put these together to make some shelves. We got 3 shelves up. So look, we built one more shelf up here. I went and got this angly dangler. This is some stuff I should have had anyway. Now I can just cut these at the exact same angle every time. The challenge was cutting this angle right so it lined up with the bottom, and also so that it supported both the pieces of wood. I got this board here at 97, but I got this spot up here. I wasn't paying enough attention, so I need to notch the end of my board out. Alright, gotta cut that out. Mark it on the other side too. There we go. That should fit in the notch area. Alright, let's go to the shed. Shed work to do. Quit talking. Don't talk shit. I messed up. It's too wide. Ugh. Alright, I'm gonna take these legs off this table. This is gonna be the top of my bench. Alright, I gotta shim this up a little bit before I put a top on it so it matches up with this other one. Alright, so I think we're going to call that it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, like and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next video. Peace out. One finger peace, because I got a bottle of water.